In this video, I will show you how to redeem bonus on your 1xBet. You have to claim the bonus, and to do that, you click on register, click on phone. In this next section, you input all the necessary information needed, and on the promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After you input the promo code Chelsea TV, 1xBet is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $3,000, $100,000, you get $400,000. Then you click on these three boxes and then you register. And then after you're logged into your account, to redeem your bonus, you click on menu. After clicking on menu, you click on the account balance icon. Then under your main account, you see your bonus account. So under your main account, you see your bonus account. In this account, I didn't claim any bonus, but if you use the promo code I gave you, Chelsea TV, 1xBet is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit. So you go ahead and deposit, and to do that, you click on the green big deposit button above. So when you deposit money into your account, you get a 300% bonus of that money, and your bonus account will be under your main account, and then you can go right ahead and bet.